Coral reefs are some of the most valuable yet fragile ecosystems on our Earth. Despite covering only 1% of ocean waters, coral reefs are home to at least 25% of the planet's marine organisms. Since more than half of all U.S. fishery species spend part of their lives relying on coral reefs, the reefs play a crucial role in sustaining both commercial and recreational fisheries. They also protect coastal communities, reducing the impact from waves, storms, and floods, and preventing erosion over time. Since the 1950s, it is estimated that around half of the world's coral reefs have disappeared due to threats such as rising ocean temperatures and climate change and various pollutants. While many people are aware of examples and effects of trash pollutants, many are unaware of certain toxic ones. While this can include runoff from landfills or industrial discharges, there is also one that we unintentionally introduce into the water nearly every time we enter it. Common chemicals found predominantly in sunscreen, such as oxybenzone, octinoxate, avobenzone, and octocrylene, are some of the leading toxic pollutants in ocean water today. While these common sunscreen chemicals help to protect our skin from ultraviolet light, they've also been shown to bleach, deform, and kill coral in oceans around the world. It is estimated that around 14,000 tons of sunscreen are being mixed into ocean waters every year. To islands such as Hawaii, coral reefs provide a much-needed protection from flooding. It is estimated that with each 1 meter loss in reef height, the floodplain would increase across Hawaii by 33 square kilometers, putting around 9,200 more people in danger of flooding and damaging more than $1.3 billion in property and economic activities. On May 1st of 2018, the state of Hawaii passed legislation that bans the sale of sunscreens containing oxybenzone and octinoxate, two of the leading chemicals to have harmful effects on coral reef ecosystems. The chemical ban in Hawaii formally went into effect on January 1st of 2021 and was the first of its kind in the United States. Since then, other islands and coastal areas such as Key West in Florida, the U.S. Virgin Islands, Bonaire, and Aruba have also implemented bans on chemicals that harm the reefs. So, considering the risks of commonly used sunscreen chemicals, what can we do to protect our skin without harming the ocean? There are a number of alternatives to using harmful sunscreens, such as opting for a mineral-based sunscreen that uses physical UVA and UVB filters instead of chemical ones that kill coral reefs. To find these, check the active ingredients list on a bottle of sunscreen for minerals such as zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. Consumers can also switch to wearing UV protective clothing and staying out of the sun during hours of high UV levels. Protecting coral reefs begins with the small decisions that ripple far beyond the shore. By rethinking how we protect our skin and being mindful of the products we bring into the ocean, we can protect the ecosystems that safeguard our coastlines and support the essential life beneath the surface.